I got wind advisories for most of the east, the exception being the far southeast. Of course, parts of Chavez County under the gun until 7 o'clock. Also Lincoln County back up in towards the north into Torrance County. We've got some gusts, could see gusts as high as 50 miles per hour. And amazingly enough, some of our strongest winds have just been off to the western reaches of the state. Right now, hanging at 32 on the sustained side in Ruidoso, 26 Roswell, 36 in Tucumcari, 20 in Farmington, with gusts as high as 55 out towards Gallup, 39 in Ruidoso, 36 in Roswell, 37 in Clovis and Portales. So it is very gusty out there this afternoon. The nice thing about this evening, we'll get the sun setting, we'll start to see those winds come down a bit, and actually tomorrow we'll end up with a pretty quiet day. Temperatures will be in the low 80s with plenty of sunshine. Right now it's 84 in Clovis and Portales, 88 in Roswell, so obviously tomorrow is going to bring a slight cool off for us. 80s off to our north, some 60s and 50s in the Four Corners. And here's the culprit. This is what's going to drop those temperatures. We've got a storm spinning just off to our north. It's dragging a front with it as well. And matter of fact, we're seeing some showers associated with the storm system just off across the state line into Colorado. So ahead of the storm, we've got the southwesterly winds. Heading into tomorrow, that front moves in, and in the wake of the front, it's going to be a little bit cooler for us. The winds aren't going to be as gusty, maybe some very light breezes. In the middle of the week, the winds crank up yet again out of the south. In addition, we'll see some good chances for showers and storms across the state, and then by Friday and heading into the weekend, we should see much quieter weather for us, and it could be a little bit better weather for the folks up in Albuquerque and Balloon Fiesta. Of course, the weekend we'll see the latter, at least the weekend we'll see the Mass Ascension. So the weather is playing a big part in this year's Balloon Fiesta like it does every year. Precipitation forecast, again, we will see a few showers popping up from time to time, especially heading into tomorrow evening and Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be a pretty big day for us ahead of the storm system as we drag in some moisture from the south, and showers will stick around through at least Thursday. So the status on this storm, and mainly the second storm, is spinning over California. The timing on this is now through Thursday, and what you can expect obviously will be the winds, that's a given, and the mountain snows up towards the Sangre de Cristos, the San Juans, and the Jemez, and definitely some valley showers. Bust potential on this around 40%, so we have dropped it because it looks a little bit more promising that things are kind of coming together though. Winds will calm down overnight tonight. Tomorrow looking very quiet for us statewide, which is good, and maybe a little bit breezy as we head into Wednesday as we get ready for this next storm system. A little bit closer to home now, we'll be in the 40s and 50s for tonight. Tomorrow's highs in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. We'll see a little bit more sunshine tomorrow as well. Of course, we've seen plenty of it today. But by the middle of the week into Thursday, the storm system that we're talking about will help increase our moisture. Showers will be on the increase. Highs nearing 70 degrees by Wednesday, and a little bit warmer Thursday with quieter by the weekend.